I got all my scuba gear over there also. I don't have a tank yet, but I'll get into that. I'm going down to Southern California to go scuba diving, but before I actually use my gear, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I bought. And you guys are probably thinking, like, should I buy used or should I buy new? Well, guys, we're in my transit conversion camper van type thing. I haven't really given it a name yet, but I think I will eventually. I want to show you guys something. The other day I was editing, I seen something that like really scared me. I went scuba diving in Hawaii, my second stage regulator, right where it connects to the hose, it was leaking. It was hard for me to breathe, and you know, me being new, like, and not watching that angle from the camera, like you guys are watching me, I didn't know. So like, I didn't bring it up to him. So like, anyways, what I'm trying to get at is I don't want to rent. I really want to go ahead and buy. Now, a lot of you guys are probably thinking, like, should I buy used or should I buy new? And in my opinion, if you're a new diver and you don't know the person you're actually buying it off of, and you don't have a receipt or any type of, you know, maintenance receipt, so you know that it's been kept up to date. Well, in this instance, when I went out, I had to rent, and yeah, I was bubbling for my regulators. I had my Cressy flippers, my booties, my goggles, my snorkel. I had a wetsuit that I purchased prior. That's a 3 mil, but here in California it's cold water. Where I was getting to is, like, I don't want to use or rent anybody else's equipment. I don't want to go buy off a marketplace and buy off of somebody, and you know, it's like buying a used car. You don't know if it's well taken care of. You guys can see this is a Scubapro. I had to go Scubapro because I had my eye on the Scubapro Hydro with Air too. And pretty much I'll go over all that in a second. Scubapro is a well-known brand, and they just came out with this one, and I wanted all my stuff new, and I wanted it brand new because I want to go more in depth. So let me just take this out. Now this is the first stage, so we'll go over that in a second. I want to show you guys this. This is the BCD, buoyancy control device. Now this is the bag. It has some extra stuff that it comes with. It also comes with this cool bag. This is a hoodie that I had to buy the other day because I want this to go inside my wetsuit, and I don't want to freeze over here, so that's another purchase, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. This is what I wanted because I wanted to make sure, one, I had a backup reg, and that's the Air 2, what they mean by that. So you could have gone with a regular, or you could have gone with this, and I decided to spend the extra $350, I believe it was. They take off of $300-ish, I guess, when you go to the regular. I love this thing because, like, you know, if somebody snatches yours out of your mouth, at least you have this right here instead of grabbing the yellow one that's over here. You know what I mean? Here is the weight belt. What came in this bag with extras is an extra belt in case you go into more warmer water, because you're going to wear less weights. So you're going to basically detach it from this gray piece, and you snap this one back in. So it's pretty much that easy. There's a clip like that. There's a back plate, not much padding on here, but, and then this doesn't have padding. It's just more like a rubber that flexes to your body structure. And it seems like there's Allen head screws. One here, one here, one here, one here. You got some D-rings, stainless steel. This sways back and forth, which is cool. It doesn't detach, which is even better. But it detaches here, obviously, because you got to take those out. Detach from here. You have a pull string here, and you have a dump on your left butt cheek area. And in case, you know, somebody's diving behind you and they see you're too inflated or something like that, they can actually come back here and just pull this, or they could actually pull this. This is the back strap for the tank, which is a quick release. I guess some people like it, some people don't. I haven't attached mine yet, so pretty much you go like this, boom. And there is non-detachable weight pockets in the back. You can see on the left and the right. Here's one right here. So you would fit it right in there, and it expands, which is cool. Hydro Pro right on the side. That's super dope. I like that. And just an FYI, you guys can see the weight belts are black. I guess you can switch those out and also add cool little additions to these circles. You can also use zip ties too, but I don't know. You don't want zip ties breaking off in the ocean or the water or the lake. You know what I mean? Like, you know, we don't want to be out there polluting. That's the screw for the back plate. Cool. So this is a men's small. I'm a $145-ish. When I was trying on the small, it just fit perfectly on me. I bought it at Seals Water Sports. That's here in Santa Rosa, California. These are the weight bags, so they go in there. I just haven't pulled this out. I really wanted to wait for you guys. I wanted to wait to be able to have time, so I got these also. These are a size small, 3mm, and we got the manual. That is my BCD. This is a 7 and 4 mil. So this is 7 right here, and this is 4 mil. And this is the regulator. Now, I bought the first stage and second stage regulator, and I just didn't have the funds right at the time to go ahead and buy a gauge. Now, he was going to go ahead and sell me just this gauge, and like I said, I didn't have the funds to keep on spending more. I was going to wait a week or so, and he threw this $75 used, you have the gauge tank, and I'm assuming this is feet, yeah, US feet, so depth gauge also, and a template on the back. That way I can go ahead and write if I get one of those. This is also made by Scubapro. It is brand new, and I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna keep my word on that too, because like I said, you guys, I want to go a little bit further into my diving. I want to become an advanced diver, technical diver, and then who knows, maybe switch up my career and no longer work in the hospital, do that part-time, but become an underwater welder or rescue diver or something, you know what I mean? Like, in the next coming weeks, I will be cleaning up a river, so I will be bringing you guys a video for that. Here we are on a river cleanup, volunteering. That's what it looks like, you guys. I love scuba diving. So much fun. How's the crew? We got a few more boats up that way. After my La Jolla in Southern California, it's just northwest of San Diego, sorry. I've never been that far down south, but from what I'm hearing is if you're not rich, you're not living there, sadly. But yo, thank you guys. Like the video, comment, let me know what you guys think about the Scubapro Hydro Air 2 and the regulator. I can't wait, you guys. Less than 48 hours.